So today we are going to do another Shein unboxing. It's not very many things. I think it's only like 5 or 6 things, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got this time. So the first thing, and this is a couple of accessories too. I think there are maybe like 2 other things, but the other ones are a few accessories. So anyway, the first thing that we're doing, I got some more little hair clips, just the ones that you can just like kind of put in your hair this way. And this came in a set of 3. So there's one that just has a little circle with the pearls on them. And then another one that's just like an oval shape with pearls. And then this one, which I love, y'all know I love my bows. This one is just a bow with pearls on it as well. So, like I said, this came in a set of 3, and I believe that these were about $2 or $3 for the set. So I got those. The next thing I got, which I'm so excited about, is this little heart-shaped charm bracelet. Let me put that on there like that. I love charm bracelets. They are my favorite piece of jewelry. I don't wear them that often because I can't really find a lot of charm bracelets that I really like, except for, of course, when I was shopping in the store at Charming Charlie. But yeah, I love charm bracelets. And this is one that I got. It just has a heart on it with the little diamonds all over the front of it. And then the back of it it's open, and it's got like little hearts, little heart openings on the back. So that's super cute. This has really good weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Y'all have heard me rave about the quality that Shein has. They have like, their stuff is like really good quality. So for not a lot of money at all. So the next thing I have, I think this is like is this a bracelet or a necklace? I can't remember. Let's see. This, oh, okay. This looks like, I think it's a set of 3 little gold bracelets. Yes. And y'all heard me talk with my other Shein haul, that little gold bracelet with the little ladybug and cherries, that I think it was for a little kid. I think these are too, but I'm still gonna try to wear them. They look like just little super cute little stackable charm bracelets, and they all have hearts on them. This one's got a gold heart, and then this one has a little light pink stone on there. And then the last one, okay, the last one, there are 2 gold ones. Yeah. So there's 2 gold hearts and then 1 light pink one. And these are just little super cute, little dainty bracelets that you can just kind of like throw on with anything to kind of dress up a basic little outfit. So those are super cute. I really like those. And for this set, I want to say this was probably about $3 as well, about $2 or $3 as well. Not, again, not very expensive at all. I'm gonna put these in there, and then of course I had to get one more headband. This one is a tweed headband, so I think it got a little smushed in shipping, which that's fine. Probably by the time I wear it, it'll get it'll reshape. But anyway, this one is a tweed headband, and it's got little pearl details on it, and it's got golds, blue, green, yellow, and burgundy colors intertwined. I Y'all can see that. It's so cute. I hope this is focusing the right way, but either way, I'll put, like I did before, I'll link everything so you can see it and get to it on the website. And then this headband was probably $4 or $5. So, and so those are all the accessories. The next thing that I got, some of these things I don't remember, is, like I said, the shipping has been taking a little bit longer than normal. I usually don't have any problems with like the shipping and everything, but because of everything that's going on, everything's taking just a little bit longer to come in. Oh, this is the cup. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes, this is a little, let me put that down. This is a little heart-shaped little tumbler that I got. This is my very first home item that I've gotten from them. Oh, I didn't even realize it had a built-in like little sippy straw. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so this is the cup, and it came with like a bigger straw. I didn't realize that, but that'll be good for me using for my smoothies in the morning. So that came with that, but it's just this hard plastic little heart-shaped tumbler, and on the front of it you can see it's got this little lever, I guess, where it has a straw that comes up. And this is so cute. So you can see the inside, and so I guess, I don't really know. I guess if you just wanted to not have this top on, you can use the bigger straw like this, but I'll probably just keep these together and use this for something else. Like I said, I can use it for my smoothies in the morning. So this is cute. Oh, excuse me. I should be able, yeah, that's cute. I'll use that. I'll keep that straw. I have a little drawer in my room that has like extra mugs and glasses and things like that, so I'll put that in there. So when I just want to use, probably use this cup with the top off or anything else like that, I can do that. So anyway, that's that. This was very inexpensive. I believe this was $2.50. Yeah, if I believe so. It might have been $3, but I really think that it's $2.50. And then they have other designs. It's not just like the pink or the heart shape. They've got like a whole bunch of different designs with this, so definitely look for that. That'll be cool if you have like kids and you want to take them out, because it's like spill proof, I guess. So that's that. And then the last thing I got, oh, I thought that sounded broken, is this. Let's get these little scissors. I really do need to be able to get some new scissors. These are awful. Let's see. I think this is a mug. I'm not sure. I told y'all in my my Charmin Charlie's haul that I love mugs. I love like just super fun girly mugs. I think this is what this is. Yep, it's wrapped up. Oh, yes. What is... Oh, I'm going to have this little foam all over my ring. Oh, I didn't realize it came with a plate. This little tea set. I'm so excited about this. I really am, I've been wanting to find... Okay, y'all, sorry. I don't know what just happened with my camera. Like, it just totally shut off on my phone and just stopped recording. I don't know what happened. So anyway, back to what we were saying. Yes, I've been needing to find like an actual tea kettle, just a super cute one, preferably one that kind of not really matches, that has the same colors of a tea set. I know I found some super cute ones at Home Goods, but of course they're not open right now, so I have to be on the hunt for that, because I really do want a really cute tea kettle. Y'all know I have a Keurig in my room, but I don't want to just hop up back and forth to go get, you know, hot water. It'll be nice if I'm working or watching TV that I can just set my little tea kettle here and just refill my teacup. So anyway, I'll have to find one, you know, that will kind of match or have the same colors, but I'll look for that. Probably Home Goods should have a decent one, so when they open up again, I'll go and look for one there. But anyway, yes, this, okay, I don't know, this is the cup that came with it, and I don't know if I know a lot of people match their tea sets. I kind of like for my tea sets to match a little bit. I don't know, I'm just weird that way. But I don't think this is the cup that I ordered. I feel like the one that I ordered had a pink bow. This one, if you can see, like, it's got gold little trim on the handle around the mouth of the cup, and then on the bottom, and then it's just got, it's really cute, this little bow on the handle. Hopefully this is focusing for y'all, but yeah, it's just got maybe like some teal flowers and gold detailing, and it is super cute. I just would of course prefer the pink one, but that could have been an error on my part, because they have, just like with this cup here, they have a lot of different designs, and so they'll have like all the designs on one picture, and they're labeled like with the alphabet with letters, and you have to pick. So it could have been I either forgot to pick the letter, because that has happened before, or either I just put in the wrong letter. But I have to go back and look at my shipment and see exactly what I ordered. You can do all of that on your app. I have, of course, the Shein app, and I can go on there on my account and see exactly what I ordered. So anyway, it is still a super cute little set. And then, like I said, it's just got the little, on the plate, the saucer, just these cute little, like little white daisies all over it. So yeah, I'm still gonna keep it regardless, because you can never have too many tea sets. So but yeah, I'll have to see. I probably will order the other pink one though, and it may come with a different colored saucer. That just may be how they ship the set, just mismatch and not really matchy. So regardless, it's fine. So anyway, that's all I have for y'all today. I have been like really cleaning out my closets of like old clothes that don't fit anymore, and all that fun stuff. So I will probably be doing another Shein, a fairly decent size Shein haul pretty soon. I'm not sure how soon. I'm trying to make myself clear out all my old clothes first, and then that will be a reward to myself to do another Shein haul. So I will definitely keep that in mind when I'm shopping. I'll definitely let y'all know how what I pick and what I'm thinking about picking. And if y'all want to see like certain things, certain clothes, or any other videos, just comment below and let me know. But other than that, yep, that's all I have for y'all today. I hope everybody is well, staying safe. I love y'all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.